If they ain't got no drama on their channel, would y'all still go to their channel? Do they got other things going on their channel? No, but drama.
Yep, that's why I
Yeah,
keep that, that's why I keep that shit off my page. Cause like I the little subscribers I got or whatever, bro, I'm cool with just having them little subscribers because they real.
bars.
I ain't a lot of niggas be on here, bro. You trying to get monetized, man? I don't give a fuck about none of this shit, bro.
None of that. That's
I'm
not showing you real. That when you gotta, hey, that shit just like that shit like a Illuminati, man. You gotta kiss ass some of it. No, just be yourself, man. If I don't like you, I don't like you. Just stay on your own zone, boy. This is my zone.
man. I ain't never asked no nigga to be no moderator. I
You
don't be
ain't
giving I don't give a fuck about that because it's like, bro, if I'm supporting you, I'm supporting you. I'm not supporting your channel. I'm supporting you as a person. I don't give a fuck about what you posting. It depending on the type of person you are, it's what's gonna make me show you some support.
bars.
You can have the best guns, you can have the best content. I don't give a fuck about no content. I give a
To
fuck
see if
about
you real.
where is the content? Where is this coming from? Is this something that I need in my life, or is this some bullshit that I don't need? Like for real.
That's why I say the real ones is real. Man, CB real. Y'all speak that real facts. Bars. Y'all can holler what y'all want to say. People different. Period. You just gotta understand that real bars. We ain't gotta do what another person want. As long as you be true to yourself, you Gucci bars. Stop all that clout chasing. You hear me? You supposed to be your clout anyway. You supposed to be the clout. People go on your channel, you supposed to be showing them some new shit. You hear me? You know, nah, come on now. We bigger than that. We bosses. We kings. You hear me? Come on now. Everybody different. That's why I be like, man, these people only be tripping. For 50, they already dropping cash out. They got that shit in their bio. I done seen that shit. Motherfucker got their cash app in their bio now. Like, wow. What? Do your thing then. Yeah, go to their channel, their homepage. They got their cash out bling right there. They ain't even monetize you. Ain't that a bitch?
All this shit, man. Even with the cash, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, my bad. When I take one of my earbuds out, it do like put me on mute or some shit, like I'm talking on the phone. But with the cash app shit, man, I understand people be having like certain things that they doing. So they drop the cash out for people to support it. But when I'm on these lives, bro, and I'm scrolling through and I see these females and shit on there just ass out and shit and shit like that, asking for
And
cash.
nigga be hitting that cash out.
Man, hey, man, look, the motherfucking devil is working all the motherfucking time, bro. I
You see
don't
that?
I don't entertain. I don't even entertain none of these retarded ass women that be on here. If they read
This shit
these,
crazy.
if they read these turd cards and shit, bro, ain't no way you can read the card and read somebody mind and all that bullshit. So people need to wake the fuck up, man. Stop.
You ain't lying, bro. That shit crazy as hell. I be like, wow, you see this shit?
I'm gonna put it like this: if a motherfucker can read your mind and all that bullshit, then I'm gonna let you know right now. That's somebody you don't need to be banned around, cause they ain't
You ain't lying, bro. Facts.
that shit. I don't be understanding. That's why I don't really be fucking with. I fuck with who I fuck with on this motherfucker. Goddamn me. You already know.
That's why I be like, man, some people they just don't listen to what the shit you be in.
Hey, that boy Taylor be cooking on them fucking beats, man. I be trying to get people to listen to what he be saying too.
Yeah, no cap. You got, hey, like I say, you gotta focus, pay attention, catch the vibe, not just the beat. You gotta listen to the vibe. He
Hell yeah.
telling his own story.
Hell yeah.
That I really cannot do this all alone, I'm sinking. Chains heavy around my neck, can't float, can't breathe. They gon' drag me to my death where the waters won't freeze.